What do you know about 6G? It's basically the sixth generation of wireless communication tech. In India, 5G is said to be available in almost every city, but it's said that its rollout has been fraught with challenges for users. These are said to include network issues and call drops. 6G is said to have even faster data speeds and better bandwidth. And in May 2024, Japan was said to have developed the world's first 6G device that's 20 times to 500 times faster than 5G. The prototype is said to be the result of collaborative efforts by Japan's telecom behemoth entity, mobile operator Doco, and electronic companies Fujitsu and NEC. And India is said to have a vision for 6G through its Bharat 6G vision that may address socio-economic disparities, bridge the digital divide, and empower rural communities. There's something called a high-frequency band. This is a range of frequencies where wireless signals are transmitted. So, if there's a high-frequency band, it would be able to accommodate larger bandwidths. To transition to high-frequency bands in India, there would need to be a certain degree of tech innovation. Experts estimate it would be around 2030 before India is ready for the commercial deployment of 6G. And semiconductors are said to play a role in enabling the functionality and performance of 6G tech. They're considered the building blocks for components needed for 6G communication systems. Japan is said to have advancements in semiconductor tech. Could India build a robust semiconductor infrastructure to reduce dependency on imports? What are the challenges that need to be plugged to curate the 6G ecosystem in India?